Hi, I'm Gemma. Thanks for visiting the Create Studio channel. Today we're going to be making egg carton owls. I love this project. We use it a lot for our birthday parties. It's really easy. Plus you can make tons of different things from egg cartons. So let's get started with this one. We're taking an egg carton and it's all about how we're cutting it up. So I'm going to cut it up so that I cut the top away from the bottom. And this is going to become the base or the body of the owl. So I'm cutting it in half. It's going to be the owl's body. And this is the kind of owl that we make. Here, this one has some paper wings, magazine wings, some glittery eyes, and some body paint. So that's what we're heading towards. Of course, you can do it your own way. I'm going to cut off this closure flap. I'm going to use a little piece of that to make feet for this owl. This could be like a barn owl. And then I'm going to cut two of the cups off to be eyes. Can you already see the eyes? I see it as soon as I see it. I see the eyes as soon as I see the egg cartons. So egg cartons can be a little tricky to cut, so I like to use a heavier scissor for this. So kids, you may want to ask for a little help. So this is the top of the eyes. I'm going to just cut off these little corners so I have just my round eyes, and then this piece acts like the beak, and I already have my big owl eyes. So then I'm going to attach them into the egg carton here. So we usually use a glue gun at the studio, so that's pretty fast. Here I'm just using white glue, but I'm just going to show you because I don't know how quickly that glue is going to stick. And that's the main part of our body. So I tend to put glue on the sides. That's where I do my attaching, a little bit on the back. And then I'm going to try and set him in there. Actually, maybe I'll pinch this up so I can kind of squeeze them into position so that we're going to have that. That's going to dry a little bit for a second. And then the only other piece that we really begin with when we do our birthday parties, we leave them simple so that everybody can decorate them their own way. I'm going to take this piece and I'm just cutting off two of the little sections. Just doesn't really matter which two. And then I'm going to be using them as little feet. So I'm going to use my scissors again and cut little triangles out of the bottom. So now I have a teeny little foot with some pieces. So I'll do that for the second one. And then those get attached. Okay, and then I'm going to be putting those, I'm going to glue them right onto, let's see, I'm probably going to do it this way. Right onto the bottom of my owl. I'm going to flip them upside down. And this kind of owl is fun. You could put a magnet on the back of it and put it on the refrigerator door to decorate the door, or it can hang on a wall. And then I'm going to leave that for just a second. We don't usually put wings on our egg cartons, but we could, except for I showed you one with magazines. So we'll leave this one plain. You can add your details later. So this is the body of our owl. And then wings would go here on the sides. You can cut them out of more cardboard, another material, or just keep it simple and make it all about painting. I'm going to add just a little bit of paint before we go so that you guys get a sense of kind of the fun way you can take it. So I'm not going to be very tidy about it. I'm just going to get some color on here just so we have a place to take our creativity. And I do really love the way the egg carton parts break down into such a way that it really lends itself to the characteristics of an owl's eyes. I'll just do a little bit of painting to give you the general gist of the idea. I just did a little bit quick paint job, but you can see how that starts to transform the owl. So this is our project for today, Egg Carton Owl. We do things with egg cartons from time to time, so stay tuned for more. Hope you had fun. Hope you do have fun with this one, and we'll see you again next time. If you like the video, please like it below and feel free to give us a comment, and we'll see you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.